Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Aisha Farooq here. Today I'm here to tell about this business opportunity. So I just wanted to tell, like, there are so many people they want to do work, but they were asking one thing, like how you manage, and you have kids around you, everything, like how you manage your business. So, first of all, I would like to tell you guys, yeah, like when I started this business, I was I have so many doubts in my mind. So everyone definitely सबके minds में doubts होते हैं. We are gonna start this business. So how we will do, and how we're gonna manage. So first of all, let me tell you one thing. Like, there are our trainings and our sports system is very strong, and we are the number one team from the UK side, and in UAE, and we are like a number one team. So this business is basically very good because we don't need to leave our house, we don't need to go to office, we don't have duty timings, we can we can attend the trainings while standing in the kitchen. There is no restrictions, like you need to you need to sit very strictly, and then you can watch the trainings. So there is nothing like that. So if you there are so many incentives, car incentives, there are so many travels, free travels with your families, with your kids, and there is a lot of incentives you can achieve. But if you are registered with the right team, if you have a right team, you can achieve each and everything and every incentive from this company. And this company is a bigger platform with so many so flexibilities. And this company is wonderful because this is 42 years old company, and we can run our business in 164 countries without paying a single penny for the website. We are just gonna share our shop link, our customer will buy, our company will deliver, and we are gonna get our bonuses, we are gonna get our profits here in our account wherever you are. So we are gonna our trainings are very supportive. Okay, if you are with the right person, they are gonna give you the trainings, they are gonna give you all kind of informations, all kind of knowledges. So you can start very easily, and it's very easy to manageable when you know like how to balance each and everything. Then you can start very if you are strategic mind person, then you can achieve from this business a lot of monies from this business. And if you have soft heart and you want to help to other peoples, सो इसमें आपको बहुत ज़्यादा सुकून मिलता है जब आप दूसरे लोगों को ट्रीट करते हैं और बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स आपको मिलते हैं। तो आपको एक सेटिस्फेक्शन होती है, यू आर हेल्पिंग अदर्स विद द अर्निंग्स। तो आप घर में बैठे हुए 164 कंट्रीज़ में बिज़नेस कर सकते हैं विदाउट पेइंग अ सिंगल पैनी। दिस इज़ द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस बिजनेस। Everything will become possible if you have if you make mind and you want to achieve the things, you can do each and everything. Everything is possible, there is nothing impossible. And if you want to support yourself, if you want to support your family, if you want to support your kids, then you need to set your mind, you need to set your goal, you need to yeah, you need to see a dream. So if you're not dreaming and you are living life without any kind of dreamings, then believe me, you are wasting your time, you are wasting your time. Make your goals and start dreaming. You can achieve your dreams if you put in hard work. If you have अल्लाह ताला ने किसी को भी बेकार नहीं बनाया हुआ। कोई भी अगर कहता है कि मैं ये काम नहीं कर सकता, दिस इज़ टोटली रॉन्ग। आई कैन नॉट एग्री with that kind of persons. Insan, we can do each and everything is possible in this world if you have set your mind, if you have dreams, you can achieve everything is possible. So I'm here to give you this beautiful platform. This is wonderful company with so many incentives on every step. Company is gonna give you incentive, so I can show you the ways, I can show you the platform, I can give you the platform. You, if you are ready and you want to join me and you want to achieve your goals, if you want to आप अपने ड्रीम्स को पूरा करना चाहते हैं, then do join me. And I would love to train you guys, I would love to you guys provide each and everything, each kind of knowledge, each and everything. So if you want to become part of my team, do inbox me. I would love to share each and everything with you guys. So stay tuned. Bye bye.
What she wanted to achieve. There are people who are, you know, I would say that I was one of them. You cannot tell me to do this and not do that. And exactly that's what I noticed in Aisha. She was all prepared back on her mind what she wanted to achieve. And I know that inshallah the car plan, the Eagle manager, the chairman bonus check, no matter what you put forward in front of her, inshallah, bismillah, she is going to achieve that. And today we have her as our speaker as well. So inshallah, once I'm done with the last slide, you are going to listen and or few of the tips that are coming from her on your way, inshallah.
I won't believe कि मतलब एंकर्स भी बैठे हुए हैं, क्रिकेटर्स भी बैठे हुए हैं, सेलिब्रिटीज भी बैठी हुई हैं, हमारे प्रोडक्ट इतने अच्छे हैं, इतनी अच्छा वो इतना पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट आता है। और मेरे अंदर सबसे ज्यादा जो आगे जाने की आई थी करना शुरू किया, जब मैंने लोगों को एंटरटेन करना शुरू किया और मुझे बहुत पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स आया, तो उससे मैं डे बाय डे जो है मेरा